Hi friends, today I will be detailing you about fire stages. Basically there are 4 stages of fire. First is incipient, then is growth, then is fully developed, and the last stage is decay. Now when I talk about incipient stage, this is also known as ignition. For a fire to occur, we need 3 elements. First, fuel. Second, oxygen. And the third is temperature. When all these 3 elements combine in right proportion, there is a chemical reaction. This chemical reaction leads to fire. The first stage, when there is the initial fire, is known as incipient stage. Fire, if detected in this stage, can be controlled easily, or person can escape unhurt in the best possible way. Then the second stage is growth. This is the stage when fire starts developing and spreading to all the combustible materials in the compartment or a structure. Third stage is the longest and the most disastrous stage. This is fully developed stage. In this stage, the entire fire load of the structure catches fire. This is the stage when there is the highest temperature and flames reaches to their peak. This is the worst stage for a firefighter or a person if trapped inside the structure which have caught fire. The last stage is decay. This is the longest stage of fire. Now, if there is a decline in amount of fuel or in the amount of oxygen, it leads to the end of fire, and this is the decay of fire. I will be briefing you about the 4 stages of fire using these 3 papers as my source of fuel. This lighter will generate flame to produce the right temperature, and then I have oxygen in the air. Just to brief you, this is the incipient stage when the paper starts burning. Now you can see the flames are high. This is the growth stage when the papers have started burning partially, and when all the combustible material catches fire, which is this stage. This is the fully developed fire, when all the combustible material have caught fire. And then the last stage will be when this fire starts decaying. So you can see the fire have now stopped, and this is the decay stage.